Welcome to my class. This class is programming in C. Why we are using programming? Because we need program to calculate the mathematical calculation. So our author Dennis Ritchie in 1972 he decided to develop a program in AT&T Bell Lab. In programming in C, which is a structural language. Why we are saying this is a structural language, which means it's have some structure. In this structure only we want to develop or we want to create a program. I am showing as notes for C in this video. Structure of C. We have some types of sections in this structure, which is document section, linker section, definition sections, global variables, return type which called as a main section, and subprogram function. In this structure, document section, definition sections, global variable, subprogram functions are used as an optional. What do you mean by optional? Means if we need this type of content in the program, we use this, or otherwise we left out from that program. Document sections have two types. First of all, I would like to say document section have another name as comment section. Okay, so document section or comment section. There is two types. Which one? Single line comment, multiple line comment, which was shown in the image. Single line comment, I show an example here. We are using 2 slashes in your program. If you are using multiple line command, slash star, write your content line by line and end with star slash. This is called as a document section. In our program, we want to use a document section as optional only. So there is no need to use this section. Another section is linker section. Linker sections or library sections. So why we are saying linker section as library sections means because what we are going to use in our program or built-in function is called as library function. Already our author designed some function in default. That functions we are using in our code, if have some error, it shows like a linker error. That's why only we are saying this section as linker sections. So what are the library codes? It's shown here: printf, scanf, header files, clear screen, which is called as CLR SCR, getch, and so on. These functions are called as library functions. If we have some spelling mistake or if we have missed some letters in code, from this library function means it shows the linker error. Okay. Then what is header files? Header files only include all our library functions in our program. There is number of header files we are having. Few of things are hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include stdlib.h, hash define maximum, hash define string.h, hash include math.h. These are the header files we are frequently used in C programs. So what is mean by stdio.h is standard input output dot header files. This shows only the stdio.h. Likewise, hash include conio.h means console input output dot h. So always our header file starts with the preceders. What is mean by a preceders mean which we are using hash symbols in our programming language. We don't use hash. Instead of hash, we are saying this as a preceders, sorry, preprocessors. Okay. The next section is definition sections. So definition section, in this definition sections we include some hash defined functions. Okay. So or else we are use function declarations, or else some of our array size would be included in the definition sections. Global variables. Global variables, once we are using global variables in our program means there is no need to create or no need to import our variable in functions or in main functions in somewhere places, because once we are declared global as a variable, we can use wherever we want, within main or within function or outside the main also we can use our variable in the declaration of global parts. That's why we are using this as also an optional words. Then main function. Main functions have two return types. One is void or another one is int. We can use as void main or int main. If we use void main means we does not need to return a value, or else instead of void main we are using int main means we must want to return a value as 0. There is two type of main functions. One is declaration part and another one is executable part. In the declaration part, we just declare our variable or also a function within a main. Within main, we declare variable and also functions. In the executable part, as an example, what we have declared in the declaration part can be executed in the executable part. So next section is subprogram function. Subprogram function is used for a function definitions. If we need to define some function, we use subprogram functions. It also is a optional. Once we define a function, we need to call that function in main. So there is a subprogram function or which is user defined function. Why we are saying this as user defined function means only user can define the function in subprogram function. That's why only this is called as user defined function. I literally have some example in structure of C, which is hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, open brace, printf, welcome to C, get ch, close brace. once we are using open and close brace, it shows the main function starts and the main function ends. So stdio.h standard input output function, conio.h console input output functions. So we are using void here, so we does not need to return a value in this program, and also printf getch is a library function code. Thank you.